My name is Michael Ovsievsky, and I am a real estate transaction partner here with Morningstar Law Group. I joined the firm in 2014 and based my practice primarily in acquisition and disposition of real estate, leasing on behalf of tenants and landlords, and then financing of real estate assets. So garden variety day for me, essentially I execute deals on behalf of clients, whether that's helping them structure and negotiate terms on the front end, document difficult issues throughout the transaction, or fundamentally close a deal. And what's really neat about being a transactional real estate lawyer is there's a true sunset on a project, right? Unlike litigation matters, which could go on for infinity, real estate deals are typically going to have a start, a middle, and an end, and everyone's going to know what that is on the front end. So I enjoy that aspect of the practice. I really enjoy kind of the collaborative nature of transactional work. I'm not adversarial by nature, can be when I need to be, but fundamentally really enjoy the fact that we're all working with aligned interests toward a common goal, and it's quite nice going to those closing dinners when things go the right way. So the first job I ever had, about 14 years old, I started waiting tables down at the Jersey Shore, and my second job, third job, fourth job, and so on were all waiting tables and bartending. That's basically all I did until I got through college. And I feel like that's actually was a really good learning tool. It allows you to think on your feet, interact with people and different personalities, and help you kind of manage expectations of folks coming from a different perspective. So recently I started teaching a course at Keenan Flagler, the UNC Business School, for second-year MBA students. Class is called Real Estate Law, makes sense, and really have grown to enjoy that. So having the opportunity to spend 3 hours a week in front of a group of 35 or so 20-somethings who are incredibly optimistic about the future and about the world of real estate has been an awesome experience. Really enjoy getting to interface with them. I learn probably more than I actually teach, but I look forward to doing that for years to come. I think it's been going to continue to be a terrific opportunity for me and for the firm. So one of the neat initiatives that we've got going on here at Morningstar is the creation of our new hospitality practice. And what that does is it brings together a number of disciplines in the firm, whether that be corporate, transactional real estate like myself, land use, employment law, and when in need, dispute litigation. Bringing those resources together to serve clients in the hospitality industry. And those are restaurants, breweries, real estate owners that lease to those sorts of entities, hotels, etc. And it's a really neat opportunity. That's an incredibly growing market. Lots going on in that market. It's ever changing, particularly here in the Triangle where we've got clients coming in from out of market, penetrating this market given kind of the general dynamic growth that's going on here. I spend most of my time chasing Kit, Leo, and Quinn. Those are my 8, 5, and 2-year-olds, spending time with them and my wife Jill, coaching soccer, teaching at UNC, and trying to get outside just as much as I can and enjoy the North Carolina weather. So the best advice that I would give to my clients is call your lawyer early. Don't get through most of the transaction, try to figure out all the ins and outs, and then come back and ask if this all works. Because oftentimes, having been in on the front end of a transaction, we can help make it work just a little bit better. Being kind of prospectively thinking on issues that general real estate professionals maybe aren't seeing as often in their practices, but things that we see time and again, creates some value for clients that maybe they don't recognize on the front end.